So, here we are with end of your steamer test.
Alright, well, it's probably gonna be a while till the last.
Anyways, welcome back to another video. We are going to be playing my game.
Alright, name? Mikey Miller.
Here, it's not that much. We only have 2 coaches and
Mikey
OS. But it's not perfectly loaded.
at gmail.com.
And here we are at the roundhouse.
Alright, sir. We're done.
I am working on a game like this.
So what do you think my chances of winning this car? Maybe like 1 in 10? No, maybe 1 in 100 right there.
I'd say 1 in thousands.
Seriously?
Here's the shed.
How many people are in it? Okay. Need some more slips?
Oh, it's 1 entry per person, unfortunately.
And here's
We'll call it
Thomas,
a win.
but it's not loaded properly.
What's ever gonna win this car?
And
Yeah. It's too bad you can't
so
sometimes.
the load
Or tail.
is weird, and it's
Come on,
this type of Thomas.
Mikey. I don't know what to do with this.
And the front keyboard is H to activate the whistles. So yeah, the model is temporarily
No matter what.
not loaded. So got Electra.
So what are you gonna do with this?
I also got the Electra. Oh, wrong first. Here's Electra. That's perfectly loaded.
Okay, kid.
Oh, no, it hurts too much, sir. Oh,
Let me go tell.
Okay, I found Electra. So here's Electra.
He's around here somewhere. I'll be right back.
This is the model. It's good. Here's the Electra model. So it's,
I'll just call for help. Talk to me right here with you.
I feel much better now. It's a miracle. Oh,
and now let's go drive OS. What else do we Rudolph and Electra. Here's the OS that came with the model. Ever since Project Ozrails has unexpectedly kind of disappeared. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna drive OS to the roundhouse. Click it. It's on the tracks. Just be careful. Do not derail. Ever since Project Ozrails has unknowingly disappeared, I decided to cover up for them to make End of Your Steam Railway. The name will be changed to Project Ozrails Comeback. Well, I don't know. Here's this OS model. It's not perfectly loaded. And the Thomas, but Electra is perfectly loaded. At least they shoot out steam.
So, you're really telling me you're just thinking about buying and trading these outfits?
Yeah, I got the model sheds, the sheds for the models.
Do whatever it takes to win. Okay. And tell me what's gonna happen when your mom sees your credit card bill and all these transactions. Well, what's our return?
Sorry if I keep doing that because I'm spamming all of it. So let's go view the coaches real quick.
That's how it works, Mike. But whatever. I doubt you're gonna feel this way. Yes, I will.
So here's the branch line coaches. It had red and green with whole pack. That's what it looks like. And here's OS's Thunder. This is in Normanton Warwick Railway.
I would like to enter the Tesla giveaway raffle, please.
And officially we have made
Never even heard.
NWR Steamer Railway. Comes with the unloaded Thomas, unloaded OS, and the perfectly loaded Electra. And let's view OS's tender.
Do I sound familiar?
They have a delete button right here. They have NWR.
See?
You'll just be spawned to next to OS,
Can I enter the Tesla?
or you can drive OS to the roundhouse. Just be careful not to derail. You might derail a little bit, and you might be back on the tracks before you know it. Also use the Cool Beans Railway CBR tracks, CBR models like Project Osrail, and I use the CBR Thomas. I should probably get a new CBR Thomas to cover up the old one.
This is for my little brother.
Able to cover up the old one, we have to replace this Thomas. And I can't replace OS because this is the only model he has, and they only come with the rolling stock freight. We also have Electra, which is the new version of 2018. She has like bars on her door or something. So let's view one of them. First, since she's perfect, let's view Electra.
Well. What a surprise. Anthony Miller.
If anyone wants to join, they can. But it's only for 16 because I don't know why. I changed my genre hoping that will work, but yeah, I don't know if I can jump in the cab. I'm gonna have to do that in another video without my keyboard I'm using right now. Alright, let's just view OS. I have to jump in his cabin. So we'll just chuck OS to the turntable. Here's OS, and when I was working on the game, I used some other tracks. I was trying to use a curve, but it turns out it wasn't that good. Sadly, I wanted Thomas and Electra, so I have to replace the Thomas with a better Thomas. That Thomas looks cool, but yeah. So here's some problems with the OS model. First, his face is blocky, which is, I might not fix it, it might be fine. Then his dome is blocky, his whistle is also blocky, his funnel is blocky, his lamp is blocky. His part is blocky. His cap is blocky, I think. But the wheels is not blocky, so yeah. Now we have to view Thomas. So let's put OS back in the roundhouse. And here's Thomas with much weird details. It's like bad. If people want me to keep this Thomas model, it might be fine. If people don't want to keep this Thomas model, let me know in the comments. So yeah. Okay. Let's view him in the roundhouse. I'm just gonna turn the turntable without my keyboard real quick. Okay. When I used to play like BTWF and all that with the turntables, it was so hard. So let's view Thomas. Jump. Let's jump in, Thomas. Now, here's the weird Thomas model. I mean, it got his face. Let's check in the cab. Oh, wait, you can change his faces. That's cool. That's cool. You can make him sleepy like he's sleeping in the shed. You can make him tired like he's tired. You can make him worried. You can make him happy. Which was the original before I changed the faces. He can be mad. He can be a little sad. Oh, sorry, Thomas. He can be shocked. So thanks. If the owner of this Thomas model, thank you. I really, even though I need to replace this, I hope it has like the face swaps and all that. Some problems with the model. This was supposed to be like a little clock, but turns out it was like a weird image decal, but it has the numbers. And H also has Oasis whistle like that, but sadly it does not have Oasis whistle. If anyone wants me to, if anyone wants to get Rudolph or Beatrice, I can probably add them to the railway because this is a steam railway. I can add Diesels also since it's called Railway. And this game is based off Project Ozrails and in the series by Rolling Stock. So yeah, I'm gonna rejoin and we're gonna play the whole game of Steamer Railway. How did I get these models, by the way? So I went to the more and I clicked create. I also wanted to click this. I also no. I click models. I type in rolling stock, or I can do it with my searches, the recent search. Rolling stock. Here's Rudolph, Sparrow, Pompey. I should add Pompey. And the wagons. Farabella, Beatrice, Jens and Eric's, the crane. Wait, is that the square face OS? I think it is. Yeah, that's the only OS model it had. Yeah, the Electra. I think it was that Electra. I'm gonna import Pompey to this because Pompey peaks cinema. Alright, able to load it. I just get the model. And I just copy link. And I hit Studio One to get the model. And also the API. Studio, right? The thumbnail has OS. I'm on OS. And that's me. Okay, I'm gonna just click close. I'm gonna open NWR Steam Railway. I think that was the game name. Or it was something else because I had to name it. Alright, here's NWR Steam Railway.
I was just gonna ask if you knew where Noah was.
Here's the models.
Everything okay?
Yep, I'm good. You scared me a little. I'll go grab Noah.
Here's, oh my lord. Holy! What did I just stumble upon to? Alright, here's Electra. And here's the weird, here's like the weird Thomas model, which is pretty cool. If anyone's watching this and is the owner of the Thomas, well, I should have get Roblox Studio, but I can't because I'm on iOS mobile, of course, and there's no such thing as a what do you call it? What do you call it? A
It's a little stuck. That's good.
also wait. Did Pompey load it? It's not working. I think I exited out the inputs. Okay, if Pompey spawns, I'll probably models. Oh, he's model 5, which is the coach. Oh, Pompey loaded. Here's Pompey. He also got the square face as OS. So yeah, I'm gonna add him to the. I'm gonna add him. This might take a little while because it's kind of hard to It's kind of hard to put them in their place. Should probably add more train tracks to it. I don't know. Should I? You know what? I think I should probably put it in the shed because it's gonna. I think it's gonna work.
Sorry, boys. I think I'm gonna have to find a jump.
Thanks people of the model, and if the owner of Project Oswald is watching this, I'm sorry. I wish that it came back because due to unexpectedly bad updates of Roblox. I'm not trying to blame this on Roblox. I'm not blaming it on the owner either. I am not blaming it on the owner of Project Oswald. I'll never blame anyone. I respect all my fans. I respect people that unknown, the game unknown. I never blame them because I don't want to blame anyone. Actually, I'm a kind, caring friend. I don't really blame anyone in my life. All right, I'm gonna check if it's on the. Okay, I put Pompey on the tracks. I think Pompey's alright because I'm just gonna put him. Wait, I'm gonna see if it.
Besides, she's still wrong. Cheated.
Hey, Mikey Miller.
Okay, Pompey's in the.
You did it?
Pompey's in the shed.
Brand new car. Thank you. Wait,
So here's the models.
I don't have to call my mom.
Okay.
Texted her to call him.
just right on your
She in Steam, that's Pompey.
envelope.
Name and NWR Steam Railway. Publish. Click.
Oh, no.
Perfect. She's all yours.
I actually won. I've never won.
I'm gonna test the game if it uploads. We just have to wait a moment before the game.
Mother.
So, you won a Tesla?
I sure did. People say you can't win these things, but I mean, if this isn't proof, I don't know what is.
It's really easy to win when you rig the game.
What? No way. But I didn't rig it. I wanted Felix to grab this trophy. Yeah, sure.
Okay, well then.
Okay, it's uploading. Alright, successfully. Let's go. Alright, see output window.
Hey, this one.
Alright, here is the testing.
That's when I was doing my school assignment.
Alright, I'm uploading to my game. Alright, see that's me right there on OS.
I feel you were gonna say that.
Alright, here's the game.
Store.
I'm gonna run to the sheds and let's see if Pompey's in there. Because I don't know.
Look what they sent me.
What? Do you mean you printed more interest slips than
Okay, I'm gonna open up the sheds using my finger
different?
because I don't even know how to.
If that was
Alright, here's the Pompey model.
Yes, I did it.
It looks cool.
More, so I had a better chance of winning.
Here's Pompey. It's
Comes out.
CRB2.
Unbelievable, Mikey.
I'd have called the cops and told them everything.
Please, please don't.
Yes.
Corbin's Railway. Well, not Corbin's Railway 2.
Sure they have
CRB.
a first name basis by now.
Oh no. I don't know if I can climb with my keyboard with this. I'm gonna try.
I'm so disappointed in you. You did all this cheating and raffle for what?
Alright, I'm gonna turn my keyboard off and set it right. We have to wait.
Really, what are you talking about?
Oh, there we go. Okay.
No! You're gonna try to pull him into this and make it seem like you had some unselfish motive for doing this. I know this was from you.
Actually telling the truth. Just as it made me broke down to register the car. Marty Higgins.
Alright. Wait.
You were gonna give me the car.
Alright, I'm gonna try to jump back into Pompey. It's 1, 2. Dang it, hold up. I think I might need a friend, but I don't know if they did something. I kind of did a little double jump there. Turn this-
Even though you did it all the wrong way. I appreciate what you did for me.
Okay, I can't drive Pompey, sadly.
Regardless of having good intentions, what
Wait. No. Oh, wait. You saw that. So someone, you saw that.
I won't call it that. But what I will do is just choose another one. Alright, this one's Mikey.
Oh! Jumped into Pumpy.
Mikey again.
So here's the Pumpy model. It's accurate. I thought the side rods would just be still when I drive Pumpy, but turns out it's not, and it's kind of weird. Also, he's kind of blocky, and he has the number plate 9398.
This one is
This is a cool looking model.
Noah Higgins.
What? No way!
So there's also the delete button on Pumpy. So this is a cool looking model. It's kind of like OS.
Congrats.
So I'll just drag Pumpy. I can't get out. Oh, now I can. Now I'm gonna get Electra. I might need my keyboard for this.
I did all that. That's not even the worst part. After everything that you've done this year, you certainly do not deserve a Christmas present. But I got you one anyway. I was going to give you Vision Pro. But you're not going to get it now. Come on, Mikey. We're going home.
Oh nah, this is not gonna work. I can't. Hold up. I literally had to drag Pompey to this. Dude. Alright, I'm gonna try to jump back into Thomas and bring him out of the shed. Alright, I got Thomas. Now let's bring him into the shed. So here's Thomas. Let's drag him like that, and we're all done. Now I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna try to get Electra, and I'm gonna get OS. I'm gonna get in the shed, and it's called make a picture. Here's the Electra model. Oh, that was unexpected. Alright, got the Electra. Now, the last engine is OS. Well, not the last engine. I might need a new engine for this burst. I'm gonna just respawn. Okay. Guys, if you want to drive OS... No! Why? No! Okay, they all deleted. If you ever want to drive OS, couple them up like this. Just be careful. It can do that. Now, let's go drive. Bruh. Broski, that. Did I? Alright. Dude! What's wrong with you? Put up. Oh. Okay. OS! You know, I don't care. I'm just gonna uncouple. Okay, I don't care. Dude, it's the OS model. It's acting out. Is this in the way? No, wait. I'm gonna try again. It's probably because I'm not in the actual game. Alright, I'm gonna try again. Alright, I got OS. Now... Okay, I'm back. Alright. Mono keeps doing that. It's the side rods are acting out. Hold up. Dude, why is these side rods acting out? I don't... Dude, what is this? What happened?
And I was thinking maybe.
I'm gonna drive OS first. Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I did it right. Dude, the model's acting out. Why? I didn't do nothing. Oh, it's working. Turns out. Wow! What's wrong with the model? Dude, it's the side rods. Bro! What the heck? No! Bro! What happened? Is this because this is in the way? I think it was because the tender. What the heck? What is wrong with this model, guys? Now I can't jump in OS. Oh, no, I can. But what the heck is wrong with OS? He was acting good. He was doing fine until boom, he started his side rods. It's his side rods are doing that. Dude, this game. See, it's the side rods. I can't back up.
What do you think you're doing? No, it's nothing, Mom. It's creep challenge. No, you're not. You're gonna get hurt. Now, come on.
Dude, what is wrong with this model? Okay, I think it's working. Dude, what's wrong with this stupid model? Dude, this model. Bro, what is...
That didn't go as planned.
Bro, what is wrong with the model? I'm gonna try again. Dude, what is wrong with OS right now? All I'm trying to do is just drive him into the shed and boom, his side rods are like... He's slowing down and he's barely doing any progress. I'm gonna try without his tender. Oh, hey, it's the leaderboard showed up. I didn't realize. See, it's the side rods. See? Do I need to get another model, bro? Alright, I'm gonna see if I can search up let me see if I can get another model. Alright. O.S. So that is bro. Alright. So we got this weird model. We have this one, which just doesn't look really that good. OS. I'll just do OS.
Look, man, it's fine. I'll stick to the, easier challenges. I don't do anything crazy. Just
Yeah, the model is acting out for some dumb reason. His side rods are like slowing down and it's not doing anything. See, it's like, what is this part even? Can I not jump in OS? Jump! Oh, yes. So here's the model. I don't understand why it's so blocky, bro. What is wrong with you? Dude! I can't even... Bro! I have to back him up, able to keep him working. This model sucks, bro.
That's the no closing this comic book. That's 3, count it, 3. It's almost done. 3 hot sauce bottles.
Okay, I'm gonna go fix this in Studio Light because all. Alright, I'm back. Dude, why is always doing that? He's like stopping really slow. I don't get it.
And crazier stunts?
Okay, I'm gonna move him and let's see what else is gonna happen. Because the model is. Bro. It's not a function. Something's wrong with the model. Dude, what's wrong with this game, bro? Wait, I'm gonna see if it's on the tracks. That's probably why. It's not even on the rails.
I told you, man. So what are we doing here again?
Okay, the model is back. It's on the track and.
What? I can't hear you
Alright,
with the hey.
let's try again with the model. See, it works fine, but
Okay, so
in the Roblox game, it was not working. I'm gonna try and see if I can re-upload this for some stuff. Alright, I'm re-uploading it, and I do not know what happened to the model because the model started to act up. It's like there was like something in the way. I think I know why. There was something in the way, but there's nothing right here on the wheel. I'm gonna check. See, yeah, here's this cool looking OS, and here's the sheds, and we have the Thomas, Electra, and my boy Pompey. I think it's an OC, by the way, but I thought I saw this yellow channel. It looks like Bill from Thomas and Friends.
What are you planning on doing with the blindfold? It's called the blindfold challenge. I just blind myself and walk.
Alright, successfully published. Okay, I'm just gonna see if anything's wrong again, and I can probably figure it out. Alright, okay, I'm gonna teleport back to my server.
This is soccer. You could seriously get hurt.
Alright, I'm back. Alright, let's see if those parts are still on. I guess not, because there's some... Because I think bro, I'm stuttering so bad. Okay, so I'm back on I'm back on Outsteamer. And just be very careful not to derail.
Fine, but make it quick.
Okay,
So you can still see.
dude.
No, hey, you gotta tight. If I get exposed to everything, man.
See? Okay, hold up. I'm gonna go see.
I'm good. Get out of here. Just yell if the car's coming and let me know when you start recording, okay? Just wait for this.
Alright, I'm quick.
Then you can go.
Bruh, is there problems with the turntable too? See, why is there problems with the turntable? Dude, there's no way. There's also problems with the turntable. Bruh!
Hey, stop playing in the streets.
Bruh. You know what? Okay, fine it. Oh, okay. Alright, what's going on now? Okay. So yeah, I think the turntable's having problems, like just like the model. So some back in the game. Let's see if there's any parts on OS right here. There was in the beginning. It turns out no. All right, you know I'm just gonna walk to the roundhouse and see if anything's having problems with the roundhouse too. All right, I'm at the roundhouse and we're gonna see if everything's going right. I'm recording. I'm recording. That's alright. What's up? Alright, let's see. The turntable works perfectly fine. I just don't know what's going on when I was in Studio Light. The model, I think the model is okay now. The old steamer model. Must be glitches. Let me see what happens if I couple the center. You just need to couple it up, able to. Okay, no, he's all good now. At least he's working now. He's working now. Glad that this model's working. Okay. Thought this was. Where's those green little buttons?
I just saw your hot sauce video. It was amazing.
Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna delete the OS model. Well, I'm not gonna remove it. I'm just gonna delete the train. All right, let's do a little test on. Any, mini, miny. Wait, is Pompey there? Pompey, are you there? Oh yeah, you are. Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Any, mini, miny, mo. All right, guys, we're doing the Thomas. Alright. I don't know if it will work, so I'm gonna retry to get back to work. So that's me right there. Yay! And how did I make that? Oh. I just uploaded it. I just took a screenshot and boom. It's done. Also, this is me. I'm Jay Ray. Alright. Alright, let's see if it has those green buttons. Okay, it does. Alright. Alright, now we're gonna try with Thomas. Anyways. What are you doing? I'm good, not gonna lie. That sounded kind of sharp to me. Is the thing not working too? I'm gonna try on this birth. No, it's not a birth. I think I missed. I'm just gonna roll back into the shed and just leave me alone. Okay, I'm just gonna do my sleep thing. Alright, night, broski. No, don't leave me here. I'm scared of me. Did I just get another Thomas? Alright, I'm gonna respawn. Dang. Wait, I can do it from here. Wait, can I? I don't know. Alright. Guys, I need to hit 50 so I can make a live stream of this. Oh gosh! Scary. Wait, did I even open? Oh yeah, I kept it open. My fault, gang. My fault. Wait. No! I ruined it. Oh my gosh. Wait, I think it's going back on the tracks. Please! I get some watermelon. Wait. I could smell watermelon. Oh, there's watermelon on my counter. Sweet. I'll probably eat watermelon when I'm done recording. Oh, that watermelon smells so good. Not gonna lie. Run. So, thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'm gonna eat watermelon. Anyways, since I've been working on this game I don't know when, it was like probably like hours ago when I started working on this. So yeah, this is testing. If anyone wants to play, you can. Here's OS. What are you looking at? Oh. So yeah, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you. And maybe I can do a live stream of this game, and I'll probably see you later. Hello. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.